In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the problem that occurs when your Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal gets blocked or cancelled for your protection. It can be annoying to deal with, but most of the time it's simply a security precaution and can be sorted out quickly. Start by opening Cash App on your phone and going to the home screen. In the bottom right corner, you'll find the Activity tab, which is represented by a small clock icon. Tap on it to see all of your recent transactions. Look through the list until you find the Bitcoin withdrawal that didn't go through. These transactions are usually clearly marked with terms such as declined, blocked, or not confirmed, so they tend to stand out. After you find the transaction, tap it to open its details. In many cases, you'll notice an option to review the transaction. Select Review, and Cash App may ask you to confirm that the withdrawal was initiated by you. Just follow the prompts on the screen to verify the action. This process helps ensure that no one else is attempting to move Bitcoin from your account without your approval. Once you verify everything, you should see a green button with wording like "Looks good" or "Confirm transaction." Select that, and Cash App will update the transaction to show that it's been approved. After this, your Bitcoin withdrawal should process normally instead of being cancelled again. That's all there is to it. By reviewing and confirming the transaction, you're letting Cash App know that the withdrawal is legitimate and not suspicious. If the issue continues even after confirming, you may need to reach out to Cash App support directly through the app for further assistance. And that's it. Thank you for watching.